Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to have you here today as we explore the power of teamwork and collaboration. In this 10-minute lecture, we'll dive into how motivational quotes and project management tools can help unleash your team's full potential. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into this exciting world of teamwork and collaboration. Part 1, the importance of teamwork and collaboration. Teamwork and collaboration are the cornerstones of success in any organization. When individuals come together and work towards a common goal, they can achieve amazing results. Collaboration allows for the exchange of ideas, knowledge, and skills, leading to a more innovative and productive work environment. Think about it, have you ever tried to move a heavy couch on your own? It's quite a struggle, isn't it? But when you have a friend to help you out, suddenly the task becomes so much easier. That's teamwork in action. Part 2, the power of motivational quotes. Now, let's talk about motivational quotes. You might be wondering, how can a few words make a difference in my team's performance? Well, motivational quotes can act as powerful reminders of the importance of teamwork and collaboration. They can inspire your team members to work together, foster a positive work environment, and ultimately, drive your team towards success. Let me share a personal experience with you. A while back, my team was working on a challenging project with tight deadlines. The pressure was intense, and morale was low. One day, I stumbled upon this quote by Helen Keller, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." I shared it with my team, and it seemed to spark something within them. It reminded us that by working together, we could overcome the challenges we faced. And guess what? We did. Part 3, Team Bonding Activities. Now, let's discuss some team bonding activities that can strengthen collaboration within your team. Activities such as escape rooms, team lunches, or group volunteering can help create a sense of camaraderie and unity among team members. These activities also allow individuals to learn more about their colleagues, build trust, and form stronger working relationships. Imagine your team participating in an escape room challenge. Not only is it a fun and engaging activity, but it also requires collaboration, problem solving, and communication, all essential skills for a successful team. Part 4, Project Management Tools. Next, let's talk about project management tools like Asana, which can help increase the efficiency of team collaboration. Asana provides a central platform for task management, communication, and file sharing. With this tool, your team can easily stay connected, track progress, and achieve their goals together. Imagine trying to build a house with a team of people, but everyone is using a different blueprint. Sounds chaotic, right? That's where project management tools come in handy. They provide a single source of truth for your team, ensuring everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Part 5, Becoming the Leader You Want to Be. As a leader, it's crucial to embody the qualities that promote collaboration and teamwork. Be empathetic, communicative, and supportive, and work to build trust among team members. Set clear goals and expectations, foster open communication, and create a sense of interdependence within your team. Remember Simon Sinek's quote, "Let's all be the leaders we wish we had." Embrace that mindset and strive to be the leader your team needs. You can start by actively listening to your team members, recognizing their accomplishments, and providing constructive feedback to help them grow and improve. Part 6, Combining Motivational Quotes, Team Bonding, and Tools for Success. So, how can we combine the power of motivational quotes, team bonding activities, and project management tools to boost collaboration and teamwork? First, consider incorporating motivational quotes into your team's daily routine. Share a quote of the day during your morning huddle or post one in a shared workspace. These small actions can have a big impact on your team's mindset and motivation. Next, schedule regular team bonding activities. Remember, a team that plays together, stays together. These activities will help create a positive work environment and strengthen the bonds between your team members. Finally, invest in project management tools like Asana to streamline your team's workflow, improve communication, and promote collaboration. The right tools can make all the difference in your team's success. In conclusion, teamwork and collaboration are essential components for success in any organization. By embracing the power of motivational quotes, engaging in team bonding activities, and utilizing project management tools, you can foster a strong sense of collaboration within your team, ultimately leading to greater success in the achievement of your shared goals. Thank you for joining me in this lecture on unleashing the power of teamwork. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Now, go out there and create a collaborative, successful team that can conquer any challenge. Remember, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much.